Yeah. Good morning. How did I fall asleep on the wall? And whatever. I'm gonna go get some breakfast or something. Hey, morning, Kirby. Oh wait, hey guys. Yeah, what's up? I was just gonna get some breakfast. Alright, nice. I just had some toasty chunks. Okay. Thank you for sharing. What to eat? Ooh, that cat food looks pretty good, but you know, I want to save some for the cat. Anyways, what should I eat? What the? That was weird. Guys, what's happening? What do you mean? Something feels weird. I think that's just called the hiccups, Kirby. Hiccups? Oh no, I hate hiccups. Did you say hiccups? Run for your lives, it's contagious! I'm gonna go lock myself in the bathroom and then I'll see if Kirby's better. What the? Hiccups aren't even contagious, what's his problem? Sometimes he ain't the brightest bulb in the bush. What? Bushes don't have bulbs. Okay, God, can we please focus on the matter at hand? Yeah, that fake hiccuping sounds pretty weird. It's not fake. I'm just kind of acknowledging that it does sound weird, and that apparently you don't know how to make it sound realistic. What are you even talking about? Nothing. Wink, wink. Okay, now you're just making me angry. Come on, let's just fix the hiccups. I think I have a few ideas. Okay, so one way that often helps people get rid of the hiccups is water. Make sure to drink lots of water, okay? That'll help. If you say so. Let me just grab this. Oops. Alright. That's right, fill up that glass nice and big. Okay. Alright, I think the glass is almost full. Ah! It didn't work. Alright, next step. Alright, so I heard that taking some deep breaths ought to do you some good. Alright, just try it. Alright, like this. Deeper. Deeper! Deeper! Yeah, you can exhale. Okay. Feel any better? No. Alright, my next scheme will be sure to work you some wonders, alright? It's worked every single time I've had the hiccups. Alright, what is it? My next idea is to hit you really, really hard. Wait, what? Ow! 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 Stop! Stop! No, it's working! No, it isn't! Ouch! Did it work? No, but I think you broke one of my bones or something. Wait, we have bones? I think so. Okay. Okay, my next idea is sure to work, alright? I doubt it. Alright, here we go. My next idea is to eat candy. Oh, well, I guess I don't mind that. So how is it? Pretty good. Pretty good. Sounds like it didn't work. It didn't. I mean, just candy, but so it don't fix anything. Oh. Having any luck, fellas? Not yet, but I know it'll work. So don't you be rubbing other people into their business. What? I don't know. Just leave us alone, okay? We got this. Okay. And my next idea is to go outside into the beautiful nature. Okay. Smell the flowers. Ow! Smell them. Okay, jeez. Okay, still hasn't fixed it, but we mustn't give up. I'm giving up. Alright, my next idea. You need to sing. What good could that possibly do? Just do it. Alright, what do I sing? Here, I'll conduct you with my antenna. I'll be your conductor. I don't know how to sing conductor things. I don't know, just sing something. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Marietta, little lamb. I don't remember the last lyric. Alright, that was terrible, but did it work? No. And why would it have? Because I'm a genius and everything that I think is true? Well, clearly not. You know what? It sounds like you're being ungrateful, and you don't deserve my help. What help? If anything, you've just caused me pain. Wait, I haven't heard you hiccup in a while. Maybe this argument fixed it. No, it didn't. Alright, well, I give up. So, is it better now? No, if anything, it's worse now. Time to go eat my breakfast like I was going to. And my stomach hurts because the first thing I ate today was a chocolate bar. Dang, sounds like it's getting worse. Probably because you didn't follow my instructions properly. Some people, man. This is not my fault. Your instructions were terrible. Okay, well, time for some rest. Oh dang, are you okay? I can barely move. Dang, didn't realize hiccups were that serious. Well, let's take him to bed, guys. Alright, well, there. Well, there. Alright, there. That's not comforting. Alright, well, let's go. Get better soon, broski. We're sliding out of this joint. What? Well, I feel bad for him, man. I didn't know hiccups were that serious. If only he followed my instructions properly. Wait a second. Dude, did you just hiccup? Uh-oh. Don't tell me you have the hiccups too. Oh no. Oh, this is not good. It looks like we have a hiccup epidemic on our hands. We're coming, Kirby. What are you guys doing here? We got serious hiccups too. I guess we shouldn't have touched you. Hopefully things don't get worse. Alright, it's been almost the whole day. I guess I can probably exit the quarantine room I have here. First I'm gonna check my phone. My talking Tom is overdue. Hey, what's this? CNN breaking news? Oh no, what is this? Breaking news! There's a hiccup apocalypse going on. Everyone beware. If there's any hiccup zombies nearby, they're coming after you. If they even touch you, you're gonna get the hiccups and turn into a hiccup zombie. Alright? No. Oh no, I knew it! I'm glad I quarantined so I wouldn't get the hiccups, but I need to figure out how I can fix this. The hiccup apocalypse, I never thought I'd see the day. Just kidding, I always thought I'd see the day. Oh no, the zombies are trying to break in the door. Window! And there was. Do you mind if I borrow some salt? I'm kind of running low, you know what I mean? What are you doing? I gotta run. There's gotta be something I can do to cure him. I guess I'll go into the woods. Okay. I don't see any zombies around, but I gotta be careful. You know what? I think I can take the stick for protection. How do I? Yeah. Who's there? Oh, that was close. Oh, I almost let him sneak up on me. There's zombies crawling from limb to limb. That's not what that phrase means, but it felt like the correct expression. Okay, it's probably my best bet to stay in here where the zombies can't find me as easily, but I gotta think of something I can do to cure them. What could I possibly do? I guess I could give them water, but I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing Kirby already tried that and it didn't make him get any better, so I don't know. Ooh, that scared me. crazy to think this is the safest place I can be. This place is crawling with zombies. Guess I better eat a snack. There's dirt on it. Oh no! What, Susie? Oh no, she got turned into a zombie. No way, I can't let her touch me. Oh, did I lose her? Did I lose her? Oh no! Okay, I don't think she's gonna get back up. No, no! Stay back. I'm warning you. Looks like I got her real good. Alright, looks like the third time was the charm. Oh, dang it! What happened? No, wait. You can talk? Yeah, I'm confused. What happened? All I know is Wario had the hiccups and he was being all weird, and then he touched me, and then here I am. Oh, yeah, there's a hiccup apocalypse going on where people with the hiccups turn into zombies. He must have infected you, but how'd you get better? I don't even know. I landed on this berry. Wait, that must be it. That must be a cure. Oh. Wait a second. There's a pile of more of these kind of berries right here. I think I recognize these. I have some of them in my house. Oh, well, do you think I would have them in my fridge? They're kind of expensive. I doubt a lot of people have them, but I have like a bunch of them. They're my favorite. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go find as many people as I can to cure. All right. All right. I guess I'll take these then. All right. I'll go home. I'll be extra careful. All right. Good luck. All right. Well, now that I have 2 of these berries in my pocket, I should be okay until I make it home. Then I can cure Kirby and my friends, and then Susie should already be on it. Eat berries. Oh, thanks, man. What happened? I cured you from the apocalypse. Oh, nice. Not today, zombies. Eat berries, boys. Well, those zombies got the berry special. Now to get back inside. Alright, who's ready to be cured? Alright, well, let me just pull out the berry and, oh, I'm out of berries. I'm out of here! I'm hiding in the fridge. Oh no, I hope they don't find me. No, please have mercy. What the? Omelets! I hate omelets! Why is there an omelet in the fridge? Wait, you're back to normal! Wait, what happened? I had the hiccups and then I started getting sick and then everything went wrong. Oh yeah, you turned into a hiccup zombie and caused a hiccup apocalypse. I better close the fridge. Wait, so when you saw the omelet, that's what turned you back to normal? Yeah, I hate omelets. They're my biggest fear is omelets, okay? Wait, that must be a cure! If you can find the zombie's biggest fear and scare the hiccups out of them, maybe that'll work! Yeah, that sounds about right to me. Alright, let's get curing some zombos. Zombos? I'm sounding cool, okay? It sounds cool. It doesn't. Yes, it does! What's Dee-Dee's biggest fear? Of course, that funny little Cars movie. He's had nightmares for years about that. Yes, let's do it. That's right, come here, Dee-Dee. Try and infect us. Oh yeah, I bet you can't. Let her rip. Turn it off! Turn it off! Dee-Dee, you're back to normal. Oh, what happened? I'll explain later. Back to work. What's Midnight's biggest fear? Hurry. I've got it. Hey Meta Knight, did you know that we're all insignificant in the grand scale of the universe and that our existence is futile because we're all gonna die before we do anything significant and we won't be remembered in 1,000 years? Oh yeah, I guess his biggest fear is an existential crisis. Yeah, I was just kidding. Oh, okay. Well, cool. I have no idea what happened though. Just one left to go. Okay, you ready for the plan? Here we go. Waddle-doo, come here. That's right. Now. Hey y'all, welcome to Waddle-doo's comedy stand. You ready for hear a joke? Yeah. Alright. Do you know what my favorite Pink Floyd album is? Dark Side of the Dune. Boo! Your jokes stink. We hate your jokes. Wait, what the? Why are you me? No reason. Well, good thing that worked. Yeah, my other idea was we could take his Miku body pillow and throw it in the fireplace, but, you know, he would have to buy a replacement. It would be pretty expensive. He has a Miku body pillow? How'd you guys know? I mean, that's not mine. It's not mine. Anyways, so what happened? Basically, Kirby's case of the Hiccup spread, and everyone got turned into Hiccup zombies, and we cured you by finding your biggest fear. That's a bit concerning, but okay. Oh, hey guys. So I managed to spread the berries, and I got everyone to find some of them themselves, and yeah, now everyone's cured. Let's go to there. Like, instead of here. Okay. Y'all are mean. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Welp, what now? Oh, I've got it. How about in the spirit of Halloween, we all watch Funny Little Cars while eating omelets while thinking about existential crises while also laughing at Waddle-Doo for his terrible Jew jokes. Did you say my terrible Jew jokes? Boy, I'ma mess you up! Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go? You're going down, buddy! Oh no, you... Duplex! Alright, how about we just watch The Nightmare Before Christmas or something? Yeah, I'm chill with that. Alright.